just follow what you have been given, like this one, which is 180, open bracket 1 over 2 power n, and we have to find first three terms. How can we find the first three terms? This is the formula which we have here. So for solution for number 1, let's say for number 1, 3D1. When answering, make sure you indicate some questions, because some examiner may get confused when marking your papers. Okay, like I indicated here, 3B, Roman numeral 1. We are finding the first three terms. So we are going to write this same formula here, which is Tn is equals to A power R power n, because we have just used 1 over 2 power n, so in which it will be equals to 180 open bracket 1 over 2 power n, in which it will be equals to 180, then open bracket 1 over 2, then power n, they are same first three terms, so we are going to substitute with the 3 here, okay, in which it will be equals to 180 open bracket 1 to the power 3, it is 1, then 2 to the power 3, it is 8. How did we find 8? We can say 2 power 3, it is equals to 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2, which is 4, times 2, which is equals to 8. This is how we have found the 8 here, okay, in which it will be equals to 8 into 180 here. We are going to have 8 into 16, it is 2. Remember 2 here, okay. 8 into 20, it is 2 also, 0.5. So this is our third term, okay. This is our third term, because there are 3 terms here. There are 3 terms. So for us to find the first term here, this is not the first term here, because this is just a formula which has been given from this question. It is not like this one, which is A R power n minus 1. Okay, don't get this one, it has the first term. So how can we find the first term from this formula which we have here? We can say let's write it here. We can say Tn equals to 180, then open bracket 1 over 2 power, where this power n, you write this is the first term here, which is T1. So where this power n, you write 1 here, okay, in which 1 power 1, it is 1, 2 power 1, it is 2. So 2 here, 1, 2 here, 9, 0, which is 90. So our first term, it is equals to 90. Okay. So our first term, it is 90 here. Then here we have 2.5. So we have to find this term here. How can we find the second term? So we can find the second term also by plugging, because this is the first term here. If you plug, let's say, let me just make a space here. Tn, it is equals to 180, then open bracket 1 over 2 power, where this power n, you substitute with the 2, because we're at the term 2 here, okay, in which it will be equals to 180, then open bracket 1 power 2, it is 1, then 2 power 2, it is 2 power 2, it is 2 power 2, it is 4. Okay, it is 4. So now 4 into 180. Oh, let me show you the other way, because this is our common ratio here, which is the 2 here, which is 1/2. This is our common ratio, because here we have this term as 90, then followed by dash, then followed by 22.5. So how can we find this second term? We can say 90 times half, because our common ratio it is 1/2. Okay, from this formula which we have, this is our common ratio here, in which it will be equals to here 1 here, which is 45. So here it's 45. So these are first 3 terms which they were asking for. Okay, and now since they're asking the common ratio, we all know that it is the 1/2, but here we have to show where this 1/2 coming from. Okay, let me just create a space here. For 1, we are done. We have found that first 3 terms we have 90, 45, 22.5. Okay, yeah, let's just wait. Okay, so now let's move on to B Roman numeral 2. Like I said, make sure your numbering is clear. Okay, so now let's say we have to find the common ratio. How do we find the common ratio of GP? We say T2/T1 is equals to T3/T2. So if you want, we can just consider this side, okay, in which it will be equals to 45/90. 45 into 45, it is 1/2. Okay, 45 into 45, 1. 45 into 90, it is 2. So this is our common ratio. You just have to show how we find common ratio. Okay, so now let's move on to question 3, which is B3. Okay, B3, we have to find the sum to infinity of the progressions. So sum to infinity, it is denoted by this one, sum to infinity equals to first term over 1 minus r, because r is less than this one here. That's why we have used this formula here. Okay, first term we have 90, then r, it will be 1 minus half, in which it will be equals to 1 minus half, it is half. So we have 90 over half. Okay, let's take it here. So now we have 90 divided by half. It's more like here, you have 90 over 1 divided by half. So when there's a division here, you take it into multiplication, in which it will be 90 over 1 times 2 here. Okay, in which it will be 90 times 2, which is 18. So this is the sum to infinity. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so the next time you see the update. See you next time. Bye bye.